were late.
You were late. You were
I
early.
was early.
You were early.
So that makes you late.
So,
Loser.
You were early.
So if I'm early, that would make you late.
Maybe two shoes.
I know.
You're welcome. Gosh, what's your stomach making that noise?
I think that's your stomach.
What's you? Wow, your stomach's really hungry. Let's go feed our stomach. What are you gonna feed your stomach?
Maybe a squirrel and some chocolate.
I'm thinking more chipmunk and ground squirrel.
Why would you eat a chipmunk? They're so cute.
Why would you eat squirrel? They're so adorable.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
They're like...
What attacked me once?